Welcome to our class. Are you ready for the class? Yes. In previous class we have learned letter A, B. Today we learn next letter. Which is the next letter? C. Which is the next letter? C. Say C. How should I see? Listen. Listen here. Start from this line. Like this. C. Children listen. Like this. Draw a line up and a small curve. Then draw down and a curve. C. Say C. Once again. Draw a line up and then draw a line down and a small curve like this. C. Say C. Listen. Listen children. C. Once again. Draw a line up and a line down like this. C. Like this. C. Say which letter is this? C. Okay. Today we learn some words start with the C. Can you see the picture? First one. First is, can you see? Can you see the picture? What is this? What is this? Say. Can you see? This is a cap. This is a cap. Say. This W. Which letter is start? C. Which letter is start? C. C O W. Cow. C O W. Cow. C O W. Cow. Say loud. Cow. Next word. Can you see this? What is this? What is this? What is this? This is a coconut. What is this? This is a coconut. What is this? This is a coconut. What is the spelling of coconut? C O C O N U T. Coconut. Say coconut. What is the spelling of coconut? C O C O N U T. Coconut. Say coconut. Which letter is that? C. Coconut. C O C O N U T. Coconut. Say coconut. C O C O N U T. Coconut. Say coconut. First word, cap. C-A-P. Cap. C-U-P. Cup. C-A-R. Car. C-O-W. Cow. C-O-C-O-N-U-T. Coconut. Say coconut. Next word. Next word, what is this? Can you see? What is this? Say camel. What is this? This is a camel. What is this? Can you see? This is a camel. What is this? Camel. Camel means ottagam. Camel means ottagam. C-A-M-E-L. Camel. Say camel. C-A-M-E-L. Camel. C-A-M-E-L. Camel. C-A-M-E-L. Camel. Which letter is that? C. Camel. C-A-M-E-L. Camel. Say camel. Once again, cap, cup, car, cow, coconut, camel. Next, last word. Last word. What is this? What is this? Say What is this? What is this? Yes, this is a carrot. What is this? This is a carrot. Okay, what is the spelling of carrot? C-A-R-R-O-T. Carrot. C-A-R-R-O-T. Carrot. Say carrot. Next one. for carrot. C for carrot. C for cup. C for camel. C for cat. C for car. C for coconut. C for coconut. Next word C for cow. C for another word C for cow. C-O-W. Cow. C-O-W. Cow. Another word. Next, can you see the picture of this animal? Can you see this? What is this? Yes, meow meow. What is this? Yes, this is a cat. What is this? This is a cat. What is the spelling of cat? C-A-T. Cat. C-A-T. Cat. Which letter is that? C. Cow. Cat. C for cow. C for cat. C for cow. C for cat. Once again, C for carrot. C for cup. C for camel. C for cat. C for car. C for coconut. C for cow. C for cat. Okay. Next one. Children, listen. Say the name of each animal. Circle ones that begins with the C. Here there are some animals picture. Can you see? Can you see these pictures? Can you see? Yes. First one. Can you see this picture? What is this? In previous class we have learned what is this? What is the name of this animal? Say loud. Say loud. B for bear. What is this? Bear. Say loud. What is this? B for bear. B for bear. See? Bear. Which what is the name of this animal? What is the name of this animal? Bear. Okay. Next, what is this? What is this? Yes, this is a cow. What is the name of this animal? Cow. Cow. C-O-W. Cow. C-O-W. Cow. What is this? C-O-W. Cow. Next one. In the next sender. What is this? What is this? In previous class, in first chapter we have learned. What is this? A for ant. A for ant. A for ant. A-N-T. Ant. A for ant. A for ant. Next, what is this? What is this? Yes, what is this? C for cat. C for cat. C-A-T. Cat. C-A-T. Cat. Next, what is this? Say camel. What is this? Say camel. C-A-M-E-L. Camel. Say C-A-M-E-L. Camel. Say the name of each animal. Circle the ones begins with C. Here, ഇവിടെ തന്നിരിക്കുന്നത് കുറെ ആനിമൽസിന്റെ ഫോട്ടോ ആണല്ലോ. അതിൽ സിയിൽ സ്റ്റാർട്ട് ചെയ്യുന്ന നെയിംസ് ഉള്ളത് സർക്കിൾ ചെയ്യാനാണ് പറഞ്ഞേക്കുന്നത്. ആദ്യം നമുക്ക് ഓരോന്നിന്റെ പേര് ഒന്നും കൂടെ പറയാം. ഫസ്റ്റ് വൺ, വാട്ട് ഈസ് ദിസ്? ബിയർ. ദിസ് ഈസ് എ ബിയർ. ബി ഫോർ ബിയർ. അപ്പം ബിയറിന്റെ സ്റ്റാർട്ടിംഗ് ലെറ്റർ ഏതാണ്? ബി. സി അല്ലല്ലോ. അപ്പൊ സർക്കിൾ ഡു നോട്ട് സർക്കിൾ. നെക്സ്റ്റ് വൺ, what is this? Say cow. What is this? Cow. So you circle cow. Start with the C. C like start cheyne. Cow. C O W. Cow. Cow. Next word. What is this? Ant. C for cat. C for cat. C-A-T. C-A-T. Cat. C-A-T. Cat. Here cat is start from C. So you circle cat. Like this. So you circle cat. Next last one. C for camel. C for camel. So you circle camel. Okay children, next letter, capital letter D. A, B, C. Next letter D. Say D. How should write D? How should write? Like this. Draw a line down and down. Like this. D. Like this. Once again. Draw a line down and a curve, small curve. Here, draw down and up and like this curve. Draw a curve like this. D. Which letter is this? D. Say now. D. Once again. D. Say D. 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 Say now D. Once again. Listen. D. Okay. Can you see the picture of first one? First one. What is this? What is this? Can you see? Can you see this bird at your home? Can you see? What is this? Yes, this is a duck. What is this? This is a duck. Duck. Say duck. Say now duck. D-U-C-K. Duck. Say now. What is the spelling of duck? D-U-C-K. Duck. And second, say now. D-U-C-K. Duck. D-U-C-K. Duck. Which letter is that? D. Which letter is that? D. D-U-C-K. Duck. D-U-C-K. Duck. Next word. What is this? What is this? This is a doll. What is this? This is a small doll. What is this? This is a doll. What is this? This is a doll. What is the spelling of doll? D-O-L-L. Doll. See? Doll. D-O-L-L. Doll. D-O-L-L. Doll. Which is the first letter? D. D-O-L-L. Doll. Say now. Doll. Next word. Can you see this picture? What is this? This is an animal's picture. What is this? Yes, this is a dog. What is this? This is a dog. What is the spelling of dog? Spelling of dog? D-O-G. Dog. D-O-G. Dog. D-O-G. Dog. D-O-G. Dog. This letter is that? D. D-O-G. Dog. Duck. What is the first word? Say now. Duck. D for duck. D for duck. D-U-C-K. Duck. D-U-C-K. Duck. Next, D-O-L-L. Doll. Say doll. D for doll. D for doll. Next word. Third word. What is this? D for dog. D for dog. for doll. D for doll. D for dog. D for dice. D for dice. Okay, listen children. How should write D? How should write? Like this. Listen here. Listen here. How should write? Draw a line down and a small curve. Draw a line up like this. Draw a curve like this. Once again, D for duck. D for duck. D for doll. D for dog. D for dice. D for dice. Once again, how should write? D like this. Like this. D for duck. D for doll. D for dog. D for dice. Okay children. Next one. What is this? Can you see this? Can you see? D for dolphin. D for dolphin. What is this? It's a fish. Dolphin. D for dolphin. D for dolphin. What is the spelling of dolphin? D O L P H I N. Dolphin. Say dolphin. D O L P H I N. Dolphin. D O L P H I N. Dolphin. Listen this up. D. Dolphin. D O L P H I N. Dolphin. D O L P H I N. Dolphin. Say dolphin. Last one. What is this? What is this? Say it's an animal. What is this? Say donkey. What is this? Say donkey. Kaluda. Donkey means kaluda. D O N K E Y. Donkey. Say donkey. What is the spelling of donkey? D O N K E Y. Donkey. D O N K E Y. Donkey. It's like this that D. D O N K E Y. Donkey. Say donkey. D for duck. D for dog. D for dog. D for dice. D for dolphin. D for donkey. Okay. Once again. D for duck. D for doll. D for dog. D for dice. D for dolphin. D for donkey. How should I write D? Listen. D. Like this. D. Like this. D. D for D for duck. D for doll. D for dog. D for dice. D for dolphin. D for dog.